believe that people have a natural desire to want to travel and to want to explore. Trains bring about this sense of nostalgia for people to, I want to travel across country by taking a train. Just that sense of adventure, people have that, they want to experience that, and why not do it in a national park? Hi, my name is Megan. I am a management assistant here at Steamtown National Historic Site, and welcome. In 1986, Steamtown National Historic Site was designated and set aside to preserve the history of steam railroading and its impact here in the region as well as nationwide. Railroading industry in general brought about a lot of commerce, societal changes. We talk about the Industrial Revolution and how it really broadened the way that we transport goods and services and, of course, people. And that's what we do today is we transport people for historic train rides and give them that live railroading experience. We do offer a number of excursions, and we typically offer them in a usual season between May and end of October or November, weather permitting. We go as far as Delaware Water Gap, and we have stations as close as Poolsboro or Carbondale that are an hour, hour and a half away. On the train, a park ranger or a volunteer will be on board and they will provide the history of the areas as we're passing through them. You'll see mountain vistas. Our most popular trips are going to be in the fall when you can see the fall foliage. You'll get the sights and the sounds of a historic train. And I don't care how old you are, when you stand next to one of these locomotives and you look at it up close and personal, it's amazing to see the craftsmanship that goes into these locomotives, to see the pure size of these locomotives in relation to our own selves. And to be able to share that with your loved one is an unmatched experience. We have a lot of visitors that come to this park who have connection to the railroading industry, whether it's their parents, their grandparents, and years ago they shared that love for railroading and passion for what they were doing with their kids, and it's generational. Now they want to share that experience and that passion with their own kids. I think as park rangers, that's what we live for and that's what we thrive on. And we really do just enjoy seeing the pure amazement and joy on their faces. It doesn't get old. You could have a bad day at work and then go up front, see visitors, talk with them for a little bit, and your day will change.